You guys, a train. You don't see it that well, but it's funny. You can see some stuff moving over there. That's a train. It's like a oil tank train. It's an oil tank train. A Union Pacific oil tank train. I thought it was spring break. I thought they never have trains in spring break, but they do have trains, I guess. I guess they had to run one because, I think they only run up to the Galveston train yard. That's only where they run them up. That's where they end, too. Just to let you know. Guys, let me see y'all for a second. I have a beautiful train, and I like it, but I have to show you the video now. Haha. Okay, guys. Now, I don't know, how long is this train gonna be? Like 1,000 carts? This is like a good conversation here. I'm sorry I didn't go to the roller coaster today. Anyway, oil tank train on the track. I thought it was spring break. I thought they don't even have trains on spring break, but I guess they do. Oh, for one reason, I love trains all my life. Whoa, train. And also, guys, I'm recording this right now. I'm recording a train on my phone. Metro part of T-Mobile. Metro PCS part of T-Mobile. Phone. Taking a good view of the train. People that are driving cars look at the railroad crossing are actually kind of lucky. It's pretty cool to look at a railroad crossing during the train journey. I hope it has like the Union Pacific engine at the back, at the end maybe, or it might just end with one of the carts. Oh, it didn't no! I can hear the train horn way up there. No. Union Pacific died. Sorry, guys. Union Pacific died. Look, it's gone. I can still hear the engine parts of the train that's on the track. But today, sorry about that. If I zoomed, I was zooming it in. You just gotta widen it out with your fingers and widen it in with your fingers mostly. But today we're gonna be jumping through this. Whoa! Came out of that. There you go. I came out of that. Alright, I went through that. Came out of that wall. Well, fine. I like the train.